Go another set of cleaning that we have to do, which is bolts. These are gonna be cleaned. This cleaned. All these 10 mils cleaned. All of this is gonna be cleaned. Even this little sprocket, which is for the oil pump. All of this is gonna be cleaned, and it's not gonna be with the little amazing little jug of soap there. It's gonna be cleaned with gasoline to avoid these from rusting and stuff like that. So basically all we're gonna do is just dump them inside here, let them sit for like maybe like 2, maybe 5 minutes, and then scrub them down with a little brush, and then that's it. That's basically gonna be it for cleaning the bolts at least. Anything else that I need over there, everything's placed over there. It's ready for installment. I think the next thing would be cleaning these and also the block itself. And yes, I still need to pick that up, but yeah, the block is gonna have to be cleaned too. But yeah, we'll get onto that right now. Just cleaned all of these bolts with a little wire brush. What is that right here? This and gas. Now that is a what's it called? Awesome anti-greaser. You know, I'm kind of tired, but I'm taking off this silicone around the oil pan because I just cleaned the oil pan with the Awesome. Okay. Whew. And I cleaned the oil pump sprocket, which I'm gonna need. I cleaned all of these. They might look rusty, but it's just because they're air dry. But I'll get back to it a little bit after I finish with the oil pan. After cleaning up all the silicone off with the little wire brush thing, we managed to take off all of the silicone off of the silicone areas, whatever they're called, the travel, whatever, I don't care. We cleaned off the inside, the outside, like just a little bit. Just a little bit. If anything, I'll hit it with just like a little Scotch Brite at the end. But yeah, this is the final product. It's fine for right now. I guess it's whatever. I guess the next thing to do is start on cleaning the block itself again. I'm cleaning these. I washed them already. I'm cleaning them, or making them a little bit shinier with some Scotch Brite. This I will not touch. Don't worry, there is no type of like deep grooves on there at all. But this will be cleaned. This will be touched up a little bit, and then just that is just gonna be clean. I did not record. I completely forgot because we got a late start in the day. My brother, okay. Yeah, we kind of just said screw it and ended up cleaning this. I'm not sure if in the previous videos I showed it, but I did clean it once just to take off all the dirt and grime, and this one was to take off all the silicone that was right here. I took off basically the best I could, and I used a Scotch Brite pad very lightly to take off what I can. Some of these are like little dents like that and there, and the various little small spots. Other than that, I mean, I think it's pretty much done and ready to start honing. The honing process would be right here, as you know. We got these little parts. Let me show you. We have this. It's gonna be used to clean out, or as you can say, hone the cylinders, right? We're gonna be using this with the drill right there, and then just, you know, just in, and it'll be spinning and stuff. And stop wetting the floor. Yeah. All right, today, guys, finally we are gonna clean one of the heads, and then the next one after that, obviously. Currently getting the little bucket we're gonna use anti-degreaser, whatever. We're gonna put the head on top of that wood plank thingy, so we do not scratch the bottom of it, because it's very, very sensitive. All right, we're gonna be taking away all that you see, oil, everything like that, and then we're gonna be spraying WD-40. As one of my fellow accomplice VQ friends said, on Instagram, so they won't, like, you know, have corrosion and stuff like that. And after that, well, I'll get back to you so you can see the final product, how it's gonna look. All right, so this is gonna be the right head. Yeah, this is the right head because it has the for the thermostat right here. So this is the right head, as you can see, very dirty all around. Has dirt inside there, grime, oil, everything you can think of. The edges, silicone right here, all that, dirt, and especially these sides right there is dirt. And then now we have the new one. I mean, not the new one, but the cleaned one, right? There is still some dirt around here, you know, right there, right there, yes. And everything else on the sides is cleaned. The inside still has some dirt and grime and oil, but the second wash would help it clean it, like fully, because we're gonna be taking apart all this, all the cams. We're gonna be taking off the cam caps, those, I forgot what these are called, but those little round thingies. And yes, we're gonna be labeling them so we do not lose where they have to go, because they are placed in order or placed in certain spots, or else they go to shit. Okay. So yeah, this is cleaned. Let me see if I can show you. The side is somewhat cleaned. Like I said, I'm gonna go back again to clean it. I'm gonna try to lift it up that high. Cleaned off most of the gaskets. Some gaskets still on there. The valves, we will be taking them apart and cleaning them individually with the wire brush. That whole middle section that looks burnt is gonna be cleaned too. What else? I'm not sure what else, but yeah, that's some of what we're gonna do still. So all of the piston rings are in. They're placed where they need to be. What else? Right now we're gonna start honing. Finally, all 6 are here and ready to be put in. The next thing after that would just be, or before the honing, I would have to take out these little squirters, oil squirters, and I have to mark them so I won't lose them. And then it's gonna be it for that. I'll show you the honing process in a little bit. Take off that, but I don't know, that's what he said. He said it's good. He said he got good aim. There you go. It's in. Really spinning. Finally. Woo!
truck. A big truck.
We had everything put together. Everything, but we forgot the little oil squirters. We just cleaned them right now quickly so we can put everything back together and torque stuff back down. Okay, was done for the oil squirters, oil jets, whatever they're called, to 20 foot-pounds, and currently right now we have it pretty good. Everything's put on. These torquing right there will not be put on just yet. Will not be torqued down just yet until we have the last one that we need, which is on the other donor motor. When we start putting that on, then we'll get the girdle and we put everything back. Got the girdle on, haven't torqued, but this is what we're gonna leave off for right now, and then we'll get back to it maybe tomorrow. Not sure when though. Pretty sure that's what they're called, rod bearings. Yeah, we greased up the rod bearings, the new ones, right there. We're gonna clamp these together or close the rings. We can fit them inside here, inside the cylinders. We have all of them polished and clear. Oh yeah, so I didn't show you guys, but we re-polished them, we re-cleaned them. Yes, it looks very scraped up, but they will get better because we doused them in oil, all right, before putting them out over here. They're sitting in oil, and then we're putting oil once more to fit them in there, and yeah, we'll get right back to it. Yeah.